stick storm comes with all sorts of connectors for building bridges and other structures to support your stick bombs. Regular connectors come in a 90 degree, 180 degree, and 360 degree varieties. Plus there's also multi-layer connectors such as these and extenders like these. Basically, the bridges and other structures you build with these connectors are only limited by your imagination. The basic connectors can be put together in many different ways. These extenders are really useful for making cross bracing to make your structure extra strong. In some situations, these multi-layer connectors are very useful. Once you have your bridge structure in place, placing the stick bomb on it is actually quite simple. You just need to have a stick bomb that's straight and long enough. And just carefully lift it up and drape it over like that, and there you go.